In this video, I will tell you about 3 powerful health drinks that you can easily make at home. And with the help of these, you can make your skin, energy, and overall health better. These 3 drinks are so powerful that if you start taking them, you will not need to take any kind of multivitamin supplement or protein supplement or collagen supplement. These drinks are not only nutritious but also very economical and safe. And the best thing is that all these ingredients that are used to make these drinks, you will easily find them around your house or inside your house. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Salim. I'm an Ayurvedic and Greek medicine expert, and for the past 15 years I have been guiding and motivating millions of people like you to live a fit and healthy life. So today we will learn about 3 different homemade drinks, the first of which is for your skin, the second is to give strength and protein to the body, and the third works like a multivitamin supplement. You can take any of these 3 drinks as per your needs or to maintain overall health or to take advantage of all of them. You can start taking each of these drinks month by month. So let's start this interesting video without any delay and know about these 3 drinks in detail. So first of all, let's start with a drink that is very good for your skin. It is especially useful in the skin to prevent wrinkles and dullness with age and also increases collagen in the body. Collagen is basically a protein that is found in the largest amount in our body. Collagen gives firmness to our skin and keeps the skin stretched and tight, which does not cause wrinkles. Just like if the mattress you put on your bed is new, tight, and firm, then the sheet on it does not easily get wrinkles, while uneven or soft or old mattresses get wrinkles easily. Similarly, collagen gives support to our skin from inside and keeps it firm and wrinkle-free. Friends, our body makes collagen for itself, and we do not need to take it from outside. But sometimes, due to a bad lifestyle, it becomes less in the body, which reduces the brightness of the face. And in such cases, it is advised to take collagen supplements. In fact, I myself have talked about taking such supplements in many videos, but one problem that comes in these supplements is that they are mostly made from animal sources. Therefore, it is not possible for such people who are pure vegetarians or vegans to take them. Secondly, they are much more expensive than supplements, and in some cases they also contain additives, preservatives, and artificial sweeteners. In addition, it is also unclear how much collagen supplements are absorbed in the body and how much benefit we actually get from them. And many times these supplements are not completely absorbed in the body. You do take it, but there is no benefit. And looking at all these drawbacks, today I will tell you about a natural and homemade drink, which you can use to keep your skin healthy, to increase the glow, and to naturally increase collagen in the body. This drink is made from natural plant-based ingredients, which are rich in omega-3 and vitamin C. To make this collagen-boosting drink, you need 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. You need 1 tablespoon of green seeds, which support collagen formation. You need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, which contains vitamin C. And apart from this, you also need orange or jasmine fresh juice, which again provides vitamin C for collagen synthesis. To make this drink, first soak 1 tablespoon of green seeds in water for 10 minutes. After that, roast 1 tablespoon of flax seeds on a pan, and then grind it in a grinder. Now, in 200 ml orange juice or jasmine juice, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, ground flax seeds, and soaked green seeds, and mix them with water, and your drink is ready to drink. Friends, now winter is about to begin, so you can easily make orange juice at home. But if you are watching this video in summer, then you can also use jasmine juice. Or instead of both of these, you can take 2 fresh mangoes, cut them, blend them in water, and use them as a juice. This drink will naturally help to keep your skin young, keep your joints strong, and reduce the signs of aging. The second drink is for those people who are obsessed with protein supplements. Protein powders are very popular in the market these days, but do you know that these have artificial flavors, sweeteners, and chemicals, which can be harmful to health in the long run? These powders are also very expensive, and due to their processed form, they are not as good as they are said to be. But if I tell you that, instead of protein powder, you can make a natural drink at home, which is plant-based and very cost-effective, then I'm sure you will definitely want to know about it. So let me tell you about a protein drink, which will give your body essential protein and nutrients naturally. For this drink, you need 2 tablespoons of roasted and peeled peanuts, which is a very good source of protein and healthy fats. You need 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. You can use black or white sesame seeds, 1 ripe banana, 2 dates, and 1 cup of water or almond milk. To make this drink, you just need roasted peanuts, sesame seeds, dates, banana, water, or almond milk. Whatever you have taken, put them all in a mixer, blend them, and make a shake out of it. You will get a smooth, protein-rich shake, which will provide you a lot of protein throughout the day. Along with natural plant-based protein, this drink will also give you healthy fats and fiber, and that too without any processing and without any artificial additives. You can take this drink once or twice a day, but if you are diabetic, then you do not have to take this drink, because it has a little more calories, which can be harmful for diabetic patients. The third drink that I will tell you today is basically rich in vitamins and other essential nutrients, and works as a kind of natural multivitamin tablet. Friends, the trend of taking multivitamin tablets has increased a lot these days, and if you look at it broadly, there's nothing wrong with it because we all know the state of our diet. Multivitamin supplements or multivitamin tablets fill the nutrition gap in our diet, that is, the nutrients that we do not get from the diet. Multivitamin supplements can be taken to remove their deficiency. But one important thing is that the quality and purity of multivitamin supplements play an important role in this. Many times, synthetic multivitamins are not properly absorbed in our body, due to which we do not get the full benefit of it. In addition, some tablets come with unnecessary fillers, which can be harmful to your health. Friends, multivitamin tablets are convenient and easy to use, but by overusing them, there can be an imbalance of vitamins in the body, especially fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin A and vitamin D, which accumulate in the body by taking more, do not come out, and can be toxic. So if you do not want to take multivitamin tablets and want to try something natural, then you can start drinking a drink, which will provide you with all the essential vitamins and minerals, naturally without any side effects. For this drink you will need 1 teaspoon Moringa powder, which is a very good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, and calcium. 1 tablespoon sunflower seeds, which are rich in vitamin E and healthy fats. 1 banana, which is rich in potassium and fiber. 3 dates, which are rich in natural sweetness and iron. 1 cup water or milk. If you do not want to take milk, it is better to take milk, as milk also contains a lot of vitamins, calcium, and protein. To make this drink, first add Moringa powder, sunflower seeds, banana, and dates to water or milk, and blend in a blender. And your multivitamin drink is ready. See how easy it is to make this drink. You can make it in just 5 minutes. This drink provides you with all the essential vitamins and minerals, which you get from a multivitamin tablet, but it provides your body naturally, not chemically. Moringa powder works like a natural multivitamin, and sunflower seeds provide you with healthy fats and antioxidants. Drink this multivitamin drink once a day, and I can assure you, you will not need to take any type of vitamin tablet after this. You can start taking any of these 3 drinks at a time as per your needs, and you can continue to take it for 3 to 4 months without any problem. These drinks are natural, and therefore they do not have any side effects. But in case you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or if you have an old illness, which you have been taking medicines for a long time, or if you are a diabetic patient, then in all such cases, you should take these drinks after taking permission from your doctor. Drink this multivitamin drink once a day, and I can assure you, you will not need to take any type of vitamin tablet after this. You can start taking any of these 3 drinks at a time as per your needs, and you can continue to take it for 3 to 4 months without any problem. These drinks are natural and therefore they do not have any side effects. But in case you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or if you have an old illness which you have been taking medicines for a long time, or if you are a diabetic patient, then in all such cases, you should take these drinks after taking permission from your doctor. To stay healthy, it is very important to have discipline in life, and for discipline, it is important to follow the rules. So now, when you have watched this video and you liked it, then do click here and watch this video. Because in this, I have told you 11 such rules, which will always help you stay healthy. If you like the video, then like it. If you want to read the channel, then subscribe. And if you have any questions, then comment and